Hello guys, hello good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching this video from. It's underscore Electa. In case you are here for your first time, please consider subscribing, like, share, drop some sweet comments. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming. May God bless you guys so much. I can't take it for granted. May God bless you guys. So it's in the evening, guys, here in East Africa, Kenya, and I'm in our village. Guys, I'm heading to our farm. I'm going to pick some kales and some spinach, which I'm going to prepare for my supper today. So guys, keep tuned. Watch this video till the end. Don't skip the ads. Hit the notification bell for more amazing contents from here, East Africa, Kenya. So guys, keep tuned and enjoy watching this video. So guys, I came from this side. Now I'm heading here, but I'm going to jump here because this is where we always pass when we come to our farm. Here you can see we have many kales here. We have the green collards and the spinach, the sweet chards. So I'm going to pass here, then I'm going to pick the kales. I have here, this is my basket I'm going to use to carry the kales. This is some of the flowers around here. We have some donkeys grazing around here. Yeah. And the other side we have a big forest around. The area is very green. The environment is very, very green. I really love it. The other side we have some potatoes planted. Some potatoes. So let me show you how I pass this place here. I think I'm going to open here. I don't know who. Yeah, I'm going to open here so that I can pass. So that I can pass. This is our entry. Because of the donkeys and the sheep which graze around here, they may get into our farm. That's why we close everywhere. It's fenced all the way around. The time I'll be back, that's when I'm going to close again. Let me try see if I can manage. Oh my god! Wow! Yes, we're going to plant some peas on this side of our farm. Maybe in 4 days or 3 days coming, I'm going to plant peas. You can see we have more kales. These are the green collards. They're having flowers. I think soon we are going to get the seeds because you are seeing many flowers of our green collards here. We had a cabbage here. I don't know who came and picked one cabbage from here. I don't know. This will be Dutch cabbage. And this is a different type of the green collards. And this one are the one which are the best. So guys, I'm going to pick some from here. I'm going to pick some kales from here. So we pick. I'm going just to mix. excuse me. Excuse. Some good Dutch cabbage. We have some inside here. Just flowers. Some flowers from these scales. This one have white flowers, and the other side we have yellow flowers, guys. Have a look. Yellow flowers. And this side we have white flowers. This is not kales. Somebody may think scales, but no. Guys, kama uko mahali popote na unahitaji sukuma wiki, kuna sukuma wiki mob hapa hivi. Yeah. My number is on my bio on my YouTube channel. You can go there, pick my number and call, then I can pick these kales for you. We have plenty around here. Let me pick from this one because I'm seeing it's having soft leaves. Pick this one. This is enough. Add more. Yeah. So let's go where there is the Swiss chard. They're very tall, you can see. Huge leaves, tall. Wow. It's like someone was slashing here, was collecting the grass so that he can give his cattle. So let me pick some. They turned their leaves because of the cold of this place. That's why they turned their leaves. They're drying. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick just a few leaves of this Swiss chard. Then tomorrow I'm going to come here and remove all the dry leaves from these Swiss chards here. I think this is enough. Okay. And on the other side here we have the marigold flowers. I think I'm going to get more seeds from here and replant again. The other side here we have a huge forest with big trees. Yeah. We have other kales here. Here guys, we have these flowers. They are so beautiful. I think it's going to rain during the night. The clouds already have changed. They are turning black. We are going to receive rain. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. In case you are new, consider subscribing, like, share, drop some comments. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming to my space. I really appreciate a lot for your presence. And from East Africa, Kenya, from our village, it's bye-bye. See you in my next video. We love you guys so much. Bye. I'm going back now. Gosh. Now I need to close again. Put this here.